Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, back in the kitchen again. Guys, today I'm here making some oats bread. It's super good, it's super healthy. Guys, you have to try it. Big up on yourself and let's make some oats bread. Guys, what I'm doing here, I'm just gonna blend my oats. Yes guys, this is how my oats look when I blend it out. It look just like flour. Okay guys, so this is gonna be my flour. It's not flour, but this is what gonna make my bread. The oats. Okay? Look at it. Yeah. Guys, I'm here using 3 ripe banana. You see the color of the ripe banana? Then well ripe. Okay guys? So it's gonna use 3. Just gonna mash up my ripe banana. Just using my fork. You want to mash this right out. I'm trying to make 2 oats bread, so I add another banana to it. I'm going to use my fork again and just grind it in with the other banana. Yes guys, what I'm doing now, I'm just taking out the white part in the egg. I'm called the eye. The egg eye, so I'm just taking out them. I'm using 4 eggs. Okay guys? Eggs in my banana. Going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Guys, I'm gonna add my melted butter, tablespoon. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. So I'm adding 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, guys? And then I'm gonna add the same amount of oil. 2, 3. Yeah, just gonna combine all of this together. So what I'm gonna do now is just put this aside. I have my oats. I'm gonna add some nutmeg. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box. I have some cinnamon powder. I have some baking soda. I'm gonna put some baking powder. Just gonna add some tip of salt. Gonna have some chia seed, okay? So guys, I'm just gonna combine all of these ingredients together. And I wanna, see that? It's so pretty, see that? Oh my God. So while you're doing this, you can just go and preheat your oven. I'm gonna let this bake for 1 hour. My oven is preheating now. So I'm just gonna combine all my ingredients. Just gonna add my wet ingredients in my dry ingredients. Take my little time. Little by little. You know, you don't want to pour out everything at once. Just take a little time and just combine it together, okay? Guys, I'm gonna add some pumpkin seed and some sunflower seed. Gonna add some raisin. My raisin. I'm gonna mix up all of this together. You can add honey, but I'm not gonna add any honey because I put in the raisin in there, and the raisin kind of a little bit sweet. But I'm not gonna add any honey. I'm just gonna stick with the raisin. Come in with this now and just make sure I get everything. Yes, guys, here I have my 2 container here. Just gonna pour out. I never like how the other pan looks scanty, so I just take it out back and I just put everything in one. So I'm actually gonna get 1 oats bread. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna let this put this in my oven and let it bake for 1 hour, and then I show you the after look. Okay, guys. This is oil. First, I'm gonna add some more pumpkin seed and some more sunflower seed. Yes, guys, this is how my oats bread looks so far. I just take it out 10 minutes, about 10 to 15 minutes ago, and this is how it look. I'm gonna shake it out and show you how inside look. I'm gonna cut it now and slice it. Ooh. So soft it is. This is how it looks inside. See that? My oats bread. Super yummy. Super good. Guys, you can try this recipe if you know, trying to have a healthy, diet. You definitely can try it. And remember, I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box. Okay, guys? Enjoy.